guys. I just want you to meet my new dog, Mariah Carey. This is my this is my cute dog, and oh my God, she she is not a she. Mariah Carey is a he, so that many people would think that it is a real he, but this dog is he. See the see the poor little cute there, the his penis, little penis. So I love this dog because this dog is cute, but sometimes very jealous of other dogs. She, Mariah Carey is, I, I think she is 1 kilo, 1 kilo or 1.5. I don't know what's the. Is a stray dog I found from somewhere else in the world. Now, he is actually a dog given from our neighbor. So, this dog makes me happy. Uh, so, when I see her, uh, yeah, so, so that's it. That is my dog. The cutest dog in the world. Touch my body, touch my body. You sing touch my body, sing touch my body. Touch my body, touch my body.